Good evening. Today is Saturday, March 16, 2024, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL03 7 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for March 16, 2024, Saturday. Here are the SL03 7 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for March 16, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of Saturday, March 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.